Hey friends, if you wish to download Xampp for your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So go to this website apachefriends.org and go to its download page. This is the download page, or you can simply type /download. Then pick this one, the 64-bit one, because I have a 64-bit computer and I think so do you. It will read download success, but it will need a few seconds to start the download. And this file is, I mean, it's okay in size, so it's 145 MBs. We'll wait for a while till it downloads. It won't take a long time, just a few seconds. And interestingly, they will redirect the previous site to sourceforge.net, which is a popular downloading engine. So we know where it has been downloaded from. So once the file has been downloaded, click on the installer and it will load. Click on yes. And Xampp is installing. Click on yes here. And yes, and then next, and then next, and then next. Keep on clicking it till it starts installing the software. I guess this was helpful. If yes, then please let us know in the comment section of this video. And if not, then let us know how to improve further in the comment section itself. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.